Do you have pain or discomfort in your hips? Or maybe you have arthritis in the hips, or maybe you're waiting for a hip replacement. Do you find it difficult sometimes to do some of the other exercise programs out there because of that discomfort? Well, I'm Tina from Vida Wellness, and I'm here to tell you about a new program we have developed just for you. This is designed for you because you have pain and discomfort in your hips, but still want to have a full body workout. So the workouts have 3 aims. 1, we're going to try and do exercises and movements that will help reduce that pain and stiffness in your hips. Number 2, we're going to make sure the rest of the body has a good workout. And number 3, we're going to do exercises that make you feel good. This program is exclusively available for members of the Vida Wellness Studio. To find out more, click on the link below and it will show you what you can get in our studio. I really hope to see you there.